Welcome to Successful Trading. I'm doing a live video right now as we speak. It's 1:32 Eastern Time, and the reason I'm doing this video, excuse me, is because of these breakouts that are happening on Western Digital. Some of you who may have been following this video, you may have seen my idea on going short on Western Digital, I think on December the 24th, on this candle on here. It dipped a little bit. They bought the dip, whomever is buying it. And today, actually yesterday, I was waiting really for confirmation to see how Western Digital will be trading. So this is, if we take a look at this, I'm trying to see, to show you the last time Western Digital was this high, meaning to get an idea of what is the closest resistance right now above this 68 level. So that's resistance here back to August 7, 2018. This candle here, it's at 69.55 as you saw there, right? So actually I'm reading it on the left, so 69.55 on August 7, 2018. So right now, this is an example of trades that we call successful trades, because something is bound to happen. The stock that's either reached this type of level, either is going to retreat. We tried that on the 24th of December. It showed strong support, and since then has just been going up. So right now it's breaking out, and most likely, realistically, the way that things are going, I mean, it's a little bit overbought here. The RSI is super hot. This is an area that where usually you have pullback, but by this mean, I guarantee you, if this thing closed above 68 today, I mean, we still have 2.5 hours of trading. Most likely, you will see this go to 70 by Friday. So that's a great opportunity to be bullish on there. So if I go here, so that's the daily. How does it look like on a weekly chart? On a weekly chart, oh boy, things are holding up. The RSI is not that bad. So I mean, can it go outside of the upper Bollinger? The upper Bollinger, I'm reading, sitting right now at 68.88 or so, but on a breakout, let's see, let's find that resistance. Yep, that's resistance. Again, August of 2018. I mean, after that, geez, 80 by the time of the earning. When's the earning? January 21st. They can just get this thing running. Let's go on a different timeline. I like watching the 4 hours. So since this morning, I've been just watching the 4 hours. So they had fake a little bit this morning where it went to 66. Yeah, that's a magic number right there for you, 66. No kidding. And then for me, the moment it went above 68, I had an alert on it, and it just is just that bullish. So the last couple of days or so, what has it been doing at closing? So if we look at the 15-minute, so on Monday was slumping on Monday. I can tell you that this was a setup on Monday, because on Tuesday, if you were tracking it, this gap here, it's a combination of an upgrade and whatever they presented at the Consumer Electronics Show. So remember, one of the trade idea that's provided was using thin ways and to look at upgrades. So yeah, yesterday that was the scenario on there. So how do we know that? So let me go back. If I just go to home, actually I just can search it here. So if I search for Western Digital on here and you scroll down, okay, so here it was January 7, Macron rallies as analysis memory turnaround, gained 7%. Okay, today has been just doing, it was red actually, it opened red, it was as red as -1%. Now it's starting at plus what? Almost plus, yeah, 1%. So in the next 2 days, I'm going to be bold on here and do a prediction of the type, hey, this thing going to 70. Actually, let's go ahead and try to, can we create that idea? So if we go here, let me try to go and create an idea. Then people are gonna say, "Hey, I switch, I switch on this because as of December 24, I was being bearish on this. So as of now, so Western Digital, how do they go about them? So yeah, my idea is still here of bearish. So how about a new idea now? So actually, so let me go back to so my profile. I want to go back to charts. And if I want to publish an idea, oh, okay, that would be one of these public charts, my ideas, idea stream. Which one is which here? Hot list, calendar, data window, watch list, detail, alerts. See my ideas. Okay, so these are my ideas. Okay, so if I want to add an idea, okay, so a clear title that describes the idea. So we're gonna call this Western Digital Breakout to 70 by Friday, January. By Friday, January, that would be the 10th. So what are we going to say? We're going to say that stock breakout Western Digital cleared resistance. Actually, yeah, long-term cleared long-term resistance. Okay, so long-term resistance yesterday or today, January 8th, above 68. No near-term resistance until 69.50, dating back August 7, 2018. Okay, so okay, a lot of steam ahead. Okay, okay, so that's our idea. What is this here? We can make it both. Nope, that's fine. Oh, maybe. Oh, okay, I know what they're trying to get me to do. So yeah, yeah, I sold my put. So as you saw on there, and I got into the 69 calls. That's my system alerting me. Copy. Oh yeah, copy. It doesn't get any live than this, folks. So Control V, and then I can delete this. Delete. Okay. So how about a chart? What's the symbol? Oh, the symbol is Western Digital. Okay. All right. Idea or chart snapshot image. Okay. This is not how I did it last time. Okay. List items, bold, URL. Okay. Let me do something here. Duplicate this because I need the link of this. Okay, so we're gonna do this the right way. So let's go to the daily. Daily, and we're going to show in this idea that's where we want to post exactly what we are talking about in terms of the resistance. Okay, so we can take a snapshot of here, and here's the URL. We can copy that into the clipboard and Control V. All right. Link relate, select your idea and paste the URL. Someone else idea. Okay. So we are going long. Category is trend analysis, or in this case, technical indicator. No, we're just gonna go trend analysis. Okay. And tag, and then we're gonna go Western Digital, and then Breakout. Okay. No, what did it say? No matches. Oh, okay. Okay. Breakout. Okay, let's see here. Sharing on Twitter. No, I'm not gonna share on Twitter. I'm gonna share on stock tweets. Oh geez, do I know my login? Okay, maybe I know my login. So sign in, connect. Trading views here, your stock trade account application will be able to progress. Yeah, I think so. So okay. Publish idea. So okay. Jeez. Oh, publish private idea. This is it here. The idea can be published. You must be a paid pro member or have 10 or higher reputation points to post link in the idea. Please remove external link from idea title or description and try again. Learn how to gain reputation. Okay, I did not know this. I am discovering this live as you guys. So you not be a paid pro member. Okay, I am doing the trial. So okay. So let me though capture my comments because at least I won't have to type it back. Okay, copy. So if I come here, and okay. Yeah, that's what we did last time. So we are going long, category, trend analysis, and tag. I'm not sure. All right. Western Digital is breaking out after reaching after confirmation above it's 18-month resistance, bullish to 70. Okay, so can we publish this? Okay, I guess this is our idea. So see my name, and what's the timer? Create alert. Okay, I can create alert to say okay when it hits 69.50. I can tap the alert like this for people. 59.51 only once. Notify me on app, show a pop-up, send an email. Okay, let's create that. Okay, and we are good to go. So if we go in there and do this, go to ideas, more, and then ideas. Okay, and then we type Western Digital. We go here to ideas. So here are all of the ideas. Western Digital, because the ideas there are definitely in category. So this is the section for all the ideas on Western Digital. So here's the one from December 21st. So I'm trying to see where's the one that's we just put in. They must be by date, so I don't know how long it takes, but in any case I can do a follow-up video to share with you what happened with that idea. Well, in any case, the main takeaway story here for this live video, I just had to do it exactly in this manner. So right now Western Digital is breaking up because it's definitely confirmation on there. So we will see where this trade goes tomorrow. So thank you everybody. Have a good day, and we will update this with the rest. Until then, have a good day. Subscribe, like, and share with others if you find this information valuable. Thank you. Bye bye.